What's up guys, this is Ralph here and we come back for a killer leg workout. So it will start slowly and then it will burn your legs like never before. So if you're still not subscribed, please do so. Please click on the red button and hit the notification bell and get down on the floor.
I love you but I can't keep killing me. I look at myself, I wonder why you don't recognize who you traumatize me. Now what do I do? Pick up the pieces and go. Let your heart break sometimes. It's better to leave behind pieces you lost you'll find. Let your heart break sometimes. Let your heart break sometimes. Let your heart break sometimes. I've adored the time I had lived in this fantasy. Now I'm looking for a way to better me, a remedy. I look at myself, wonder why you recognize who traumatized me. Now what do I do? Pick up the pieces and go.
When it hurts like this, we climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like. But that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. When it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like. When it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like. When it hurts like this, we hold each other high, but we fall 1,000 times. But I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. When it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like. When it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything.
Thank you for working out with me guys. If you liked this workout video, give it a big thumbs up, and also don't just do it for once. If you will do it just once, you will hurt just weak, and that's all. Do it on regular basis, and also thank you for watching guys. Also check out my workout videos and dream waist videos too, and I see you tomorrow. Go for it!